Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to automatically change watch faces on your Apple Watch, and you can set a certain time to change Apple Watch faces. So now let me show you how you can do it. First, before you begin the process, make sure that on your Apple Watch you have multiple watch faces. So on my Apple Watch here, I have already added some of the watch faces here. So you can see I have multiple of them that already installed on my Apple Watch. And if you want like awesome watch faces, you can use BuddyWatch. There are a ton of them that you can download and add into your Apple Watch. And now let me show you how to automatically change watch faces. So to do it, you need shortcut. So now let me go ahead and open shortcut here. And then you need to go to automation. And now from here, you need to click on the plus button here, click on create personal automation and select on time of days. And from here you need to check on time of day, and then you can select the specific time that you want your watch face to be changed. So now let me go like 9:32, and then you can just go ahead and check on daily, which means that at 9:32 every day your watch faces will be changed. And now all you have to do, just click on the next button here, click on add action, and then you need to search for set watch face. This one, select on it, and then you need to select the watch face. And you can see there are multiple of them, and these are already installed on my Apple Watch. So I can select the one that it needs to be changed. So let me go to strap, and then lastly click on next, and this option must be turned off, and don't ask, hit on done. This is it, and it is good to go. If you want to set another specific time, you need to repeat the process like I showed you earlier. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.